Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today's recipe is flat bean sabji or ghevra sabji. These beans are powerhouses of plant-based protein, complex carbohydrates, and dietary fiber. Wash the flat beans. Snap off the ends. Pull away any hard strings on the sides. And chop them into bite-sized pieces. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until translucent and soft. Lower the heat. Add turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Green chili paste. Stir quickly for 30 seconds. Add the chopped ghevra beans and mix well so they are coated in the spices. Pour in a quarter to a half cup of water. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes until the beans are tender yet retain a slight crunch. Remove the lid, let any excess moisture evaporate, and stir in the fresh grated coconut. Some dishes don't just fill your plate, they take you home. In every tender bite of spiced ghevra, wrapped in the rustic warmth of garlic and coconut, there's a quiet nod to generations of kitchens past. Simple, honest, and made with love. That's the magic of a Maharashtrian classic. Sit down, tear off a piece of hot roti, and savor the tradition. If this recipe brought a little taste of tradition to your kitchen today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more wholesome, everyday Indian recipes, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a delicious meal. Drop a comment below, and let me know what Maharashtrian classic you want us to cook up next. Happy cooking, and see you in the next one.